Hi viewers, if anybody are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. In this video, I am going to explain which certificate has more value. Really, during this lockdown, all MNC companies and top courses or so many has been providing free online courses for you all. But a small doubt regarding that courses. If I'll do which kind of course in particular company or particular brand, which certificate has more value? Either Coursera, either Udemy, or TCS Ion, or Accenture. I mean more. First of all, what are the questions rise in your mind? I will list out some of the questions. If you have regarding that questions, you can watch this video. Otherwise, you can skip this video. First of all, which certificate if I will keep in resume, is that value for my resume or not? Is the first question. Generally, we will think. Because we will do many more courses for our resume, for our interviews or for cracking interviews. It is the main purpose. Or for gaining skills. It is generally we know that. The second question was, certificate is mandatory. If I will do any course, if they will not provide any certificate, is not mine or it is not value for me. This is the second question raised really, because some of the free online course is not providing certificate. In that time you will think, if they will not provide certificate, it doesn't value for us. It doesn't, if I will do that type of courses, it doesn't value. Don't think like that. And the third type of question was, I have done many more courses, but which certificate I need to keep in my resume? Which certificate has more value? It is the question raised in all our minds, because during the lockdown, so many courses have been providing. So generally we will do 1 or 2 courses or 3 or 4 courses. Generally we will do. In that time we will thought, because we know we are not able to keep all the courses in our resume, because resume should be short and like impressive. So in that cases we will think about which resume has more value. So in that courses only or that certifications only will keep in our resume. So if you have these doubts regarding the courses, so this is the best video you need to watch. So don't skip this video, start watching. In this video, I will mainly concentrate on 4 type of courses which they are providing by the top companies. Like TCS Ion and Accenture is the top MNC companies which we know. And Coursera, Udemy are providing not free online courses. In past days, they have been providing courses for paid. But during this lockdown, they are providing for free courses. So generally all the people will do these kind of courses during the lockdown. I will list out about among these 4 courses or among these 4 certificates, which certificate has more value. I will list out each and every point. So start watching this video. Okay, let's start our video. Coming to the first course, it's Coursera. The Coursera is providing many more courses about free, like Android app developments, like many more courses, and it's like providing for free project courses also. It has been providing, but it has not been providing any PDFs or any download options for that. You can just watching the videos. After that you will get certificate, like that they are been providing. First point is, certificate is not important. If you want to keep in resume, just think you don't do any courses. If you want to gain your skills, then you do courses, because when you keep on resume, definitely the interviewer will ask questions or raises questions regarding that particular course. So if you are able to answer that questions, then only you are done that courses. So if you gain skills, then definitely you will try to answer. If you are just for certifications, don't do any type of courses. It's my advice for you all. Please, just for gaining knowledge, you need to do that courses. Many companies or interviewers will just see skills, because the important thing was skills and knowledge is main important. So in that cases, they will generally main focus on skills. Generally, I will say example for you. If a person has kept more and more certifications, like more than 5 certifications on his resume, and another person kept only 3 certifications on his resume. So if the person went for the interview, which kind of person will select? First of all, generally the first person went to the interview room. In that room, he has been mentioned 5 certifications. Among that 5 certifications, the interviewer start asking the questions, but the interviewee is not able to answer that kind of questions, because he or she has been kept more than 5. It is not good to keep that many certifications. Generally keep or 3 or 4. It's generally enough for the certificate, or it's generally enough for the resume. Okay, he or she is not able to answer. But who has kept, the second person who has kept 3 certifications on his resume, then he is able to answer. If the interviewer start asking that questions regarding that that certification courses he is able to answer. My motto or my advice to you all is, during this lockdown you have done 10 courses, but don't keep 10 courses in your resume. Just keep 3 or 4 courses which you have more knowledge and more skills. If you are more confident in only among the 10 courses, if you have confident only in one course, just keep that one course just enough, because honesty and genuine is more important in resume and in interview. So in that cases you are in confident only 1 or 2 or 3, just keep that, because if the interviewer asks that questions regarding that course, you need to able to answer. Then he will think, rest, right, he is confidently and he is done his course 100%, like that he will think. So coming to that, which type certificate has been more important, first I will give prominent to two of certificates like TCS Ion and Accenture, because we generally knows, for everyone knows, Accenture and TCS Ion or TCS company has more value and more MNC company it is, first of all. So it has more value. I will give the first ranking to Accenture and TCS Ion, because the Accenture courses, if you want to do it is easy to do. I have already done a video how to do or how to register for that courses. You can watch that videos. And first is I will give ranking to TCS Ion and Accenture. If you want to do any type of courses, you can do TCS. If you are doing for the certifications, first do your courses on TCS and Accenture. If you want to do the two kind of persons I will explain. The person who wants certification, just do TCS and Accenture certification courses. In TCS, you need to do mainly career edge knockdown the lockdown, because it says that during the lockdown you have interested to do that kind of courses. The interviewer will get a good impression on you. So don't miss to do that course. Really, I have done online how the day 15 online assessment answers. I have done the video, and how I have done how to register for the type of courses. I have already done a video on that. If you want to watch, you can watch that videos. And coming to, if you want certifications regarding that, you can do this kind of courses. Otherwise, you don't want any kind of certificate, just I want knowledge. I doesn't want any certificate. I will just keep trainings like in my resume. In that cases, you can do any type of courses, not only the brand courses. You can do Coursera, Udemy, or you can do any kind of courses. So if you want any kind of certifications, it has more value means TCS and Accenture. If doesn't want the value of certifications, you can do other than that courses. My small advice for you all, if anybody are interested to do courses, if you are not able to do many courses, just do career edge knockdown the lockdown. It is my advice for you all, because it is the best course among you all. And Accenture also is good courses, because it is a self-paced course. You can complete the course within 1 hour, or within half an hour also you can complete the courses. It's best for you. So the main advice is TCS and Accenture. After that, Coursera and Udemy. If you want to keep the certifications, you can keep like that. And Google also providing digital marketing courses. You can do that kind of courses also, but I'm not talking about the Google. And TCS and Accenture are best courses you need to do. Okay, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, please click on like button, and please comment me in the comment box if you want which kind of videos. I will do that kind of videos for you only. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe.